Hi everyone, hope you are doing great. Today in this video I am going to compare two products. Okay, now this is the first product. This is from Wow Skin Science. This is the coconut micellar water. You will be getting individual video for this lot many. Okay, but I will compare it with this this Vadi cleansing milk. Okay, now definitely you will say ki how the cleansing milk can compare with micellar water. That is what I want to see. Since this is very affordable, this retails for only 195 rupees and this retails for 350 rupees. But during sale times you do get nice offers. That is, during sale times you get buy 4 pay for 2. But at that time you have to buy 4 products. Okay. Sometimes lot of people, they do not have budget to buy 4 products. Okay. So that is why I want to compare it, and the MR, like it is for 350 rupees. But if you take buy 4 and pay for 2, so you can say this is for 50% off. But definitely 50% also, this is for 200 ml, and in this what you get is 350 ml and 195 is the MRP. But definitely during sale times you can get this Vadi products on 15 to 20% off as well. So that is why I want to give you the best and the affordable on my channel. So that is why I thought of making this comparison video. Now before moving ahead with the video, let me please tell you to kindly subscribe my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future upload. And since it is absolutely free, you can even ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. And if you want to become friends with me, the link for the Instagram as well as of the Facebook will be given in the description box. So don't forget to check that as well. Now let's begin with the video. I've told you, actually briefed you everything. 200 ml for 350 rupees. This is 350 ml for 195 rupees. And both the MRP I have given you. During sale time, lot of discount. Okay. So what I will do is, I will, on my right hand side, I will use the Wow micellar water, and on my left hand side, I will be using the Vadi cleansing milk. So what I'll do is, I'll take a cotton pad, I'll take some micellar water, and I will remove the makeup from my right hand side. So we will do it in front of camera. They said ki take it on cotton pad. So I will take it on the cotton pad. You all can see. It smells very nice. See, I have taken this. This cotton pad is actually with Wow cleansing water, micellar water. I will be removing it in front of you. You all can see. Full face of makeup I'll be definitely removing afterwards, but this is just I want to show you. You all can see, this is the Wow one. Now on my left hand side, I will take some more cotton, and I will go with the cleansing milk of Vadi. This is the cleansing milk. Actually with cleansing milk, what I do is I take cleansing milk on my hand and I just rub the face. But right now in front of camera, I have taken it on the cotton pad and I remove it. You all can see. Alright. You all can see, this is the Vadi one. Now what I will do is, offline I will just go off the camera. I will remove my full makeup, but trust me, on my right hand side I will be using Wow, and on my left hand side I will be using the Vadi one, and I will come back to you. Yeah, I'm back. Now you all can see, with my right side, on my right side I have used this Wow one, and on my left hand side I have used the Vadi one. Now what we will do is, we will just take some cotton, normal cotton, we will just damp it little bit and we will check, because if I'll rub just normal cotton then it will tug my skin. So what I'll do is, I'll just wet it little bit and I'll just check whether the makeup, it's removed or no, the makeup. Okay. So this is the damp cotton. Wow one, clean, nothing, no traces of makeup on this side. That is the right side. You all can see. Okay. Now what we will do, I will take another cotton and I will check the left side of the wadi one. Okay. I will just take again little bit of cotton. I will damp it in water. Okay. Now this is the cotton. We will check the left side. Yes, little bit of makeup came, right? So if you will wash your face definitely with wadi one little bit better, because I was in a hurry. You can say I have never washed it properly, but this much is okay. You can just wash it 2 times and definitely all the makeup will come off. See, now again it doesn't come off. Okay, so if you ask me, because I do get lot of questions that how do I remove my makeup with micellar water or with cleansing milk and all. So for those people, I would just like to tell you, if you are running short in budget and if you have some proper budget limit, constraint of money and all, definitely you all can go for this kind of Wadi cleansing milk. This is multi-purpose. You can use this cleansing milk before you are doing facial or something. If you just want to clean up your face, you just want to use this cleansing milk as a cleanup part, definitely this is useful. So removing makeup also, this is very useful. I'm not saying this is very bad product, but definitely this is little bit expensive, and if you do not have budget, definitely you all can go for it. If you ask me personally, will I buy this again during sale time? If it is on the sale, yes. If not on sale, not on MRP. And if this is on MRP, yes, 100%, because I will be getting more quantity. I can use this product as multi-purpose. I can clean up my face. I can definitely do lot of other things with this before doing my facial or before just doing anything. If I just want to go out and I just want to clear my face, definitely I can use this kind of cleansing milk. It gives me a glow on my face. You can make out. Okay, this is my bare face. I've just kept the lipstick, but nothing else is on my eye. On my face. Alright, so I think I have covered each and every point. If you have any query regarding any product or something, definitely do let me know in the comment section. Still, if you have any other video request in your mind, if you want me to make a particular video on particular topic or something, that also definitely do let me know in the comment section. I will try to fulfill your comment as soon as possible, and I will come up with the video and I will do my level best. If you are watching till here, that means you are liking my content. If yes, then give it a huge thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family. And that's all for this video. I'm wrapping up for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.